Hey class, welcome to week 5. This is our final week. I am so proud of you guys. You guys have already started in the discussion this week. You guys did great work last week in week 4. We talked about problem solving. It was pretty good conversations in the discussion board. I want to shout out to Saban, Amarillo, Connie, Crystal, Kimberly, Jamie, Candace, and Jasmine. Excellent work on your assignment 4. Very well thought out solutions for Aslan. Now we're moving into week 5, and this week we're going to talk about your mindset and how to have a growth mindset, what you need to succeed. So it's the same format for this week. You have your lessons, your discussions, and your assignments. So just get in there and get your work done. I want to remind you, if you have not taken the end of term survey, please go in there and take your end of term survey. Give us feedback on what's working, what's not working for us. I've already received feedback about Foliotech and assignment 3.1. So yeah, get in there and give us what your thoughts are about the class, because that generates change. It helps us get better with our courses and our teaching. So we'll appreciate your feedback with that. Also remember, this is the 5th week, so class ends on Friday at 11:59 p.m. So everything is due by Friday at 11:59 p.m. The other thing I want to stress to you guys really quickly is you need 700 points to pass this class. You have to have a 70 in this class to pass. Otherwise you fail and you have to take it again. If you have any missing assignments, I would suggest that you go in and complete those assignments and make sure that you get some points rather than 0 points. A 0 really hurts your grade, of course, because you don't have any points. You're trying to get up to at least 700 points. I have a lot of A's in this class. There's a lot of you doing great work. You guys keep up the work. Do not fizzle out at the end. I have a lot of students that at the end they decide to just give up. You will not believe what a 0 will do to an A. So you don't want to do that. All right. If you have any questions or any concerns, please give me a call or email me, text me, whatever you need to do. Okay. You want to pass this class. All right. You guys have a good week.